your iPhone is still exposed. Even if you turned off every privacy setting on your iPhone and still think Safari is protecting you, then I want to tell you that there's one single setting that leaves your device completely exposed. Websites can identify you and know who you are, even if you're using a VPN. Let me show you this hidden Apple setting. So what you need to do is open up your settings application and then scroll down, go with apps. From apps, you need to scroll down again and you need to look for Safari. Tap on it. Under that, scroll down and you will find an option of advanced. Tap on advanced and select advanced tracking and fingerprint protection. You'll find two options, private browsing only or all browsing. You must choose all browsing. This setting prevents websites from doing something called fingerprinting. What does that mean? It means the website collects information about your device without asking for permission, like screen size, installed fonts, device specializations, operating system, graphics card, and even browser capabilities. These small details, when combined, create a unique digital fingerprint of your device. Even if you change your IP or use a VPN, when you turn the setting on for all browsing, Safari starts changing the data websites can see, making your fingerprint confusing and unstable. This greatly reduces any website's activity to track you or link you of visiting across different sites. So this setting is extremely powerful. Just simply go and hide it and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.